Hi, I'm George Cochran, three-time world champion. CLC's been making the best bags for 30 years in the hardware business. I took some of them fishing. I said, hey, let's do something with the fishing tackle boxes, the bags. They said yes, and they are making the best bags you can buy. They've got everything you can think of in these bags. I want to show you another bag made by Wild River. CLC makes it, called the Rogue. It's got all the newest technology and the best features. Let me show you a great feature. Right here, we got speakers on both sides. You plug in right here to your MP3 player, and you can listen to music all day long. Great feature. In the bottom of your bag, you've got a battery pack, AC adapter to power your speakers in your bag. Let me show you this. Open this up. It's called the Rainfly. Unexpected happens when you're on the lake. Pull this out, cover your whole bag. You have nothing to worry about. We got double zippers on the top, makes it fast and easy. Open it up, you got 4 large trays, enough to put all your tackle in. Let me show you this lid right here. We've got the zipper, big compartment. You can put tackle in here, or if you want to put your cell phone, maps, good place to put your stuff, keep it dry and out of the way right here. Let me show you the side of the bag right here. It's got a lot of neat features. You got your clippers. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Then you've got your pliers right here. Easy in and out. Okay. Then let's say you want to take this with you and walk. Unsnaps. Got a belt deal right here to fit on the side of your belt where you can carry it with you. That's cool. Let me show you this. This is a molded sunglass holder. Open this up, your sunglasses, they're good, dry, and you don't have to worry about them getting damaged. We got another big compartment right here. Unzip it. A medium tray fits in here where you can put a lot of tackle. Perfect. All right, turn the bag around. Right here, I either put my water bottle, sunscreen, Real Magic right here. Got another compartment here. You can put worms, whatever in this side, or you have another big compartment right here. Unzip this. I got a medium tray in here. I like to use my spinner baits on this side. Let me show you the back of the bag. Right here, we got some more compartments. Right here, nice compartment to put worms or whatever. All right, we got a larger one right here. Unzip it, got a medium tray. You can put about anything you want. This is a great bag. When you're done, you got good straps right here to carry your bag, or you've got a strap right here with a cushion in it. It's real good for your shoulder, and you're ready to go home.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Review Pals. I'm your host Alexandria, and today we're going to be looking at this super great yellow first aid kit. So let's pull it out and see what we've got inside. So here is your kit. It is bright yellow. It has 156 pieces inside, which is a lot of pieces to fit in one little first aid kit. It is military uniform, so that means the military uniform standard 123-piece first aid kit is designed to provide emergency care for the home, workplace, or outdoor activities. So this would honestly be great for people of all ages, any walk of life. You could keep this in your car, at home, at school, if you're a teacher, in your classroom, in your businesses, if you're going on a camping trip, or if you're an outdoorsman. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Who doesn't need a first aid kit? For you college kids that are going to college for the first time, this would be great to keep in your dorm. I mean, honestly, who doesn't need a 156-piece first aid kit at their disposal? So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. All your pieces here. First, we have this little guy in here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So in this first little compartment, we've got some cotton swabs. We've got some safety pins. Let's see what this is. This is, oh my word, this is a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation device. So that's really cool. We've got some gauze in here, medical tape, alcohol swabs, your standard first aid kit type pieces. Then we've got other really cool things in here as well, like a glow stick. If you're ever in a situation that you need light or something of that nature, you have that. You have a sturdy little clip here. You need that. You have a compass. I mean, come on guys, a compass, if you get lost, literally, this first aid kit has your back. So you have that. You have a whistle here, so if you need someone to know that you're there, get someone's attention, you have your whistle. You have, again, more Band-Aids, alcohol swabs, medical tape, safety pins, a great pair of tweezers. So you have your traditional first aid kit supplies in here as well, along with all these extra amazing things. Here is a tourniquet inside this package to, if you needed to stop the blood from if someone was injured. There's even a emergency rescue blanket, you guys. It has a reflective surface and high visibility, and it assists in prevention of shock. It also retains essential body heat, preventing hypothermic protection. So that's awesome too. Some rubber gloves. This is another mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, so not only do you have one, you have another one as well. This one's just a different type. You can put that around yourself like so to give mouth-to-mouth. You also have an ice pack in here, more gauze and gauze packets. You have a pair of scissors, a really great pair of scissors too. It's not just like the little flimsy ones. And then you also have a sling in here that you can make a sling for someone's arm. So like I said, there's 156 pieces in here. It's a very thorough, very a big first aid kit. So I definitely recommend this. I think it is actually one of the greatest first aid kits I've ever seen, no joke. So I want to hear from you guys what your comments are, what your thoughts are about this amazing first aid kit. Don't forget to click the link below to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can keep you up to date on all the latest products we have here for you at Review Pals. Thanks guys.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your fly reel from a right hand retrieve to a left hand or vice versa. Obviously this procedure varies depending on the make and model of your reel. In this case I'm using a Max Catch Avid series reel, and a lot of other reels are somewhat similar, but they can vary a little bit. So this comes out of the box with a right hand retrieve, and so I'm going to show you how you can change that. Now the first thing you're going to do is actually turn the reel around, the rather obvious thing that you have to do. Turn this around and tighten it back up, and now you have the handle on the left side. But obviously it's now incorrect. The drag pulls when you should be rolling the line in instead of when the line is being pulled out. So you need to reverse the drag. What you need to do is remove this cap on this side of the reel, and it doesn't come completely off, but you'll need to loosen it completely up. Then you'll be able to pull the spool off the reel. So lay the reel aside. On the spool you'll see a little piece of wire here that's a pentagon in shape, and it has a little break in the wire on the one side, and you just depress that with your fingernail and pull that out, and that comes loose. Just be sure you don't lose that. Now there's a little cylinder in here that needs to come out, and you simply reverse that and put it in the other way. And then you replace the wire. And that's back in there. Now we can put this back on the reel, tighten it back up again, and now the drag is pulling the correct direction, and we can reel freely in this direction.
interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.